Hello, all of you. In this video, I'll be guiding you how to take the exemptions from IAI for any papers that you have cleared from any corresponding institute like IFOA or any other institutes. So, you have to first be a member of IAI. So, you can become an IAI member through ACET route or through non-ACET route. I have put down the videos for the same in earlier, so you can check that. Now, you have to just type IAI, go to their homepage. In their homepage, in the members section, you have exemptions. So in the members section, you have this exemptions. Just click on this. Here, you get details of the fees that you need to pay to take exemptions. So, if you want to take exemptions for these subjects, CT subjects, then from IFOA, if you have cleared any paper from IFOA and want to take exemption from IA, then this is the fees that you need to pay. These are for CP papers, SP papers. Now, this is for the students who cleared these papers before 2019. After 2019, if you have cleared your CMCS papers, this is the fee structure for the new one, CMCS, CB, CP, and SP level papers. So this is the entire structure. Also, if you want to know more details on the same, then you can click on read more. Here you will get the entire information from different institutes. So if you have cleared from IFOA, then you can take corresponding papers exemption from IAS. So if you have cleared CM1, you can take exemption for CM1. If you have cleared CT1, you can take exemption for CT1. So they will grant you for all of these. Now they have clearly also mentioned that institutes shall not grant exemptions for CA2 subjects passed from IFOA between September 2018 to December 2018 for that duration, and for CP3 also they've mentioned. Otherwise, for all the papers, you are getting an exemption. This is for IFOA. In case of cash institute, again, the relevant exam under this institute and IA institute, you get the exemption. So you can match accordingly. If you have cleared anything from ISI, then you can match and you can take exemptions from IA. These are the different university courses. If you have done, then correspondingly you get exemptions from IAI. These are the fee structures which are mentioned again. So the documents that you will be needing is, if you have cleared papers from IFOA, then you will be needing individual past results that you get a certificate, a past certificate that you get from IFOA. You will be needing that. You have to attest it. It's a self-attested form, so you can just take out a print and attest it, and then you can again scan it and put over there. So similarly, you have to do for other, if you want to take exemptions from other institutes, like if you have done CA or CF, IAI only provides exemption for CA, not CFA. So if you've done CA, then you also have to, you can take exemption of that as well. So you get exempted from one of the SP level papers. You will be needing the CA final mark sheet, which you need to self-attest. So these are the documents that you will be needing. Once you have these, and once you become a IA member through the ACET or non-ACET route, as I've already discussed in my previous videos, you have to log in into your portal. So I've already logged in into a portal. I will not show you the mail ID and everything. Once you log in, these are the subheadings that you get. In the exemption tab, go to apply for exemption. In the exemption tab, go to apply for exemption. And in this apply for exemption, you can, if you are applying through exemption from IFOA, ICAI, then you can click on this. If you are applying for exemption from any other institute, or you can click on this III or CS or CMA bodies, then you can click here. So let's suppose I'll just explain you from for IFOA. So exemption from IFOA, you have to click on this, and here you can select again the institute IFOA, select the subject. Let's say suppose CT2 I'm selecting, the fees automatically comes up. This membership ID is the membership ID of IFOA that you have to put, the year in which you have cleared the examination, your name should be put over here, and this should be as per the name which is given in the exam pass history. If it's Shivangee Agarwal, you put Shivangee Agarwal over here. Then you put your IFOA individual subject pass certificate. So IFOA gives you two things. One it gives you individual pass certificate for clearing CT2 examination, and one when you log in into the IFOA web portal, it also gives you past exam history, wherein in whichever terms you have appeared for exams, if you have cleared it or failed it, it gives you the entire exam history. You have to put that exam history also over here. Both of these should be self-attested. You have to just sign. It can be through blue ink, that is preferred. Sign it, put the date, and put it over here. And then you can click on confirm and next. Once you do that, it will take you to the payment confirmation payment page. You have to make the payment. It can be through UPI or any cards. Once the payment is done, you will get the payment confirmation on your email, and they will process. Maybe it takes, I think, 2-3 weeks to process this. And once they process it, in the exemptions in the dashboard section, in this dashboard section, it will show you that whether your particular exemption for CT2 has been processed or not. If it is under process, then it will show you under process. Once it's done, then it will give you granted. So this is the dashboard which you can check. It's a very easy process. If you are a qualified chartered accountant or a CA, CMA, and if you want to apply for any exemptions, then this is the process that you need to choose. But please make sure you are a IAI member through ACIT or non-ACIT route, and you have the necessary documents from IFA or any other corresponding bodies. If you have any doubts regarding exemptions, then you can put down in the chat box below. Another thing is that in order to take, for the papers that you have cleared from IFA, you will get exemptions in IAI, but vice versa is not true currently. IAI, any papers that you have cleared from IAI, you are not getting the exemptions for the same under IFA. So yes, again, if you have any questions, do let us know. We will be surely answering them all. Thank you so much.